Gold and silver traded bearish for the day. We have seen gold breaching below the first milestone, first critical support zone at 26.38.50, and while silver has also moved towards 30.20 levels, failing to stay below the support levels. We have seen a bit of recovery, but can we say that the bears are back in gold? Can we expect a drop below 26.30 and for silver below 30 levels, or it is possible that a complete recovery or a reversal can be seen? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch on the hourly charts what has happened here. Notice couple of points. Drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement. Now see, it was trading sideways here. It has come out of this sideways zone and it is trying to trade bearish, but also notice after staying outside Bollinger Bands, it is trying to show a bit of recovery. Now there are critical milestones for it to break beyond. First and very important thing for gold to break is 26.58.60, which is definitely going to be a very critical resistance zone for gold for the day. And if that is taken, then 64.66. Only and only if these two levels are taken, you can say now the prices have reversed and we can look forward to a greater recovery. In fact, it can move towards 26.76.80 zone. But I will say right now the stance is bearish and a complete recovery or is far from sight as of now. And now see, another point to note here is this. Look at these constellation of candles here and look at the 20 period moving average acting as a very strong resistance here. And it also suggests how, see, first thing is, yes, prices can move towards 20 period moving average, that is towards 26.50, but I will say it is still not to be treated as a reversal here. Stochastic is oversold here, trying to recover a bit. The MACD is still bearish. The RSI is also near to bottom here. Coming to the two, when you see the 2-hour charts here, see one straight bearish candle outside Bollinger Band movement, trying to recover a bit. What could happen here is a movement like this where the prices might try to come towards this zone and it will find it difficult to break beyond this zone. But if this is taken, then yes, we can see a reversal. But right now what I am looking forward to is a movement like this where prices can move towards 26.50 but not turn bullish. Yes, possibility is there. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD almost flat here and near to bottom. RSI is also at bottom here. On the 3-hour charts, look at the preceding candle here. See, preceding candle, despite being red, I can see diminishing body size, very small body size is there. Also the current one started on a bullish note. Let it break beyond the preceding highs at 26.46, and if it stays about 26.50, there could be slight bullishness. Once this zone here, first 26.50 has to be taken, then 26.55.56, and then 26.58.60. So very critical resistances are available here on the upside for gold to break past by. Right now I can see a slight bearish channel here which gold might respect. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD is also bearish here, the RSI is also at bottom. On the 4-hour, similar observation. Very important point to note here is the crossover in the moving averages and the divergence in the moving averages. This is certainly a bearish sign. The next thing to note here is, see, earlier what it was doing, it was forming a symmetry. It is, despite forming a symmetry, this has given a breakout and has hit a lower lows. Now when you connect the lows and the highs here, you can find out, see, this is how it has been trading, and it has to come out of this zone in order to confirm a reversal or a breakout. Now on the downside, 26.38, yes, below 26.38 again we can initiate a selling position. Expect 26.34 and 26.30. Now 26.30 is the next milestone which gold needs to break. If it trades below 26.30, you can say that the bears are back and we can look forward to a greater down move here, which can take it towards 26.24 and 26.18.20 levels as well. Remember, that is the level below which for the entire week we may see the bearishness prevailing here. That is going to be a very critical level, 26.18.20, because below this certainly 2600, 2580, or in fact 2560.50 levels can also be seen. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI has dropped. Coming to when you see the daily charts, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, on the daily charts, you can say that lower highs and lower lows are seen. This is how it has been trading, and thus it is very, very important. Now see, first was 2638 and now 2630 levels to be taken. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater down move, which can in fact take gold prices towards 26 24 26 20 levels, and below that a greater correction can be expected. Now when you see the daily charts, you can find out, see, this is how it has been trading, and it is now, it appears that gold might try to move towards 2600 levels soon, but I think today might not be the day for the same. It can try to stay range bound, it can try to hit 2650 levels, and at that point we will see how it behaves, because see, it can still reverse here, and a move beyond 2660 is a sign of reversal. Stochastic has come towards oversold zone. The MACD is in green trying to cross over for sell. The RSI is dropped. So considering this, I will recommend you to now buy at 2646 itself. Now see, if you're now, we have to capture few pips and points. We are not waiting for a complete breakout or a stronger reversal. But yes, if you're capturing, if you want to capture few pips and points, you can buy at 2646. Expect 2650 levels, first target zone, 26 54 56 as the next, and 2650 860 at the third. If 2660 is taken any point of time today, stay bullish for 2660 466, and if that is taken, I think we will look forward to 76 78 85 88 and 2700 as the next target. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2630. Expect 2634, 2630, 2624, 2618. Once 2618 is taken, stay short for a greater down move, stay short for a greater correction. We are looking forward to a move which is going to take the gold below 2600 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver on the hourly chart. Similar observation here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. And right now, if you connect the highs and the lows, see, this is how it has been trading. This is an expanding triangle. The lows are far below 2980 levels. So now if you see silver, that is the higher price below 3020 levels, you can take a selling entry. Below 3020 is where you can expect further bearishness to prevail. And then I will look forward to 3029, 7580 and 2950 levels. If 2950 is taken anyways, a stronger bearish move is expected, because that is a critical support zone here. Now on the upside, see, now 3060 and 3080 is acting as a barrier here, and any move beyond this zone is a sign of reversal. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is trying to bounce back from the bottom. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, similar observation here. Now 3060 is very, very critical for silver to break beyond, and if that is taken, it is a sign of reversal for the day, not for the week but for the day. And a move beyond 3085 is the sign of reversal for the week, where we can expect 3120, 3150 levels, beyond which certainly you can say now silver is turned bullish. Else right now see, what I am looking at is divide this into two. You can see symmetry here, and it is possible that it can try to move towards this zone and stay in this bearish channel still. That is one possibility which I am looking at. Look at the preceding candle. It was outside Bollinger Bands. It is trying to come back or fall back within the bands. Wait for 3060 levels to be taken for further bullishness. If you look at the stochastic, this is already at bottom. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI is also already at bottom here. On the 3-hour, the observation is more or less same. On the 3-hour charts, preceding candle is a swing and a greener candle coming outside Bollinger Bands, now trying to bounce back, trying to retrace. Very, very important for silver to come out of this channel. Very, very important for silver to trade above 3060-65 and 3080-85 zone. Right now, what's happening? Preceding candle has shown a pullback. Now the current candle is trying to continue with further upside. So it is possible that it can move towards 3040, 3060 zone, but it is definitely going to be a critical resistance for silver to break beyond. Stochastic oversold here. MACD is in green but almost staying flat. RSI oversold. On the 4-hour charts, and on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. My only worry point is this. See this, and if it breaks out beyond, this could lead to a slight reversal. But right now the stance is not that strong. strongly bullish. It requires a stronger push for silver to show a reversal as of now. Right now, it is looking downwards, and a trade beyond 3020, that is a higher price below 3020, we can expect more bearishness to prevail here, where the prices could in fact move towards 30, the first support zone 29.7580, the second, and below that more bearishness to prevail. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD is already seen a good lows here. The RSI is already at bottom and near to oversold zone. Coming to the look at the daily charts. What has happened yesterday? We have seen a pull down here from the highs. Now today it is continued with this down move. It is continued with the bearish momentum, delivering lower highs and lower lows. This is expanding in nature, and any move beyond 3060 is a sign of reversal. The stance right now, it is bearish. It is looking downwards, but I can see a stronger support coming on the downside here. Now this is the zone which it needs to break, that is 3020 and $30 levels, because also notice this double bottom levels at 29.65. So yes, these levels are definitely going to play a very important role in deciding the future for silver. Anyways, tomorrow with the FOMC, definitely we are going to see a stronger move. But right now for the day, it appears it is going to find a very strong support at 3020, $30 zone. Be mindful of this. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD has crossed over again for sell, and the RSI is looking down. So looking at this, I will recommend you to only buy silver. See, you can buy 30, 50, 30, 60 zone, expected to, if this is taken, then certainly you can say bulls are back. As long as 30, 50, 30, 60 is not taken, I will not treat silver as bullish for the day. So wait for 30, 50, 30, 60 to be taken. Stay bullish beyond that for 30, 75, 30, 80, or in fact 30, 75, 30, 85, and then 31. If 31 is taken, stay bullish for 31, 20, 31, 50. Chances for such a strong move appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3020 levels when you see the higher prices below 3020. But then 3020, $30 levels, very critical, and then 29.7580. If these two levels are taken, stay short for more bearishness. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch that.